我哋今日會爬獨木舟同埋穿過熱帶森林去一個瀑布叫做秘密瀑布 The Secret Fall。What's your name again?
Izzy.
Easy。一程大概要爬45分鐘獨木舟，然後先至開始行入去熱帶森林。右左右左右左右。
Obviously, all through different hiking things called kayaks. Kayaks, which we'll learn later on through the trail. Very sacred, spiritual areas. Those are usually underground. Grass. As you heard, Kai, my brother, saying that it's a little gnarly, it's a little overgrown. So everything's just gonna just make sure you see the person ahead of you, okay?
嚟啦！我睇呢條河喺暴風雨嗰時候一定非常之暴漲同危險㗎啦。不過呢個河要好小心，唔好屈親隻腳啊！OK， 煮個飯就得啦。嗱，你個 high five 啦又，啊飛啦！我諗起 Jurassic Park 嗰啲蜥蜴恐龍喺兩邊咁衝出嚟咬人。
If you need to use the bathrooms today, that was your last chance over at the marina. This is your toilet paper today. This is what you're using. It comes in bigger sizes. You'll see it along the way. It's fuzzy. That's what you want to use. What I have here, this green one, and then you'll see along these yellow ones here. What you don't want to use is that. That is mango leaf. Right now it's fine to touch, but once you break that open and you feel that sap, that gives you a really gnarly rash. I have Benadryl on me if anybody decides to use that for your toilet paper today though, but other than that I can't help you. It's not the best feeling. I did it one time camping. I don't need my flashlight. I know what's it called? Cocktails here. The cocktails with Uluwehi is really awesome, really good.
嘢喎，啲人怕蚊啊
！Uluwehi is actually not native to Hawaii.
啲鮮花係奉獻俾森林之神。熱帶森林嗰啲花顏色好鮮豔。沿住條河流大概要步行1英里先至到嗰個秘密瀑布嗰度。
你買一件先啦，你買呢件先啦。
Hello。佢話呢個 secret 呢個 secret point。No secret 係咯。你睇下佢有 boardwalk，我就知道佢係個馬條加立咗㗎啦 ，as you say for tourist 啦。真係要好小心行，唔好屈親隻腳或者係俾啲樹根貫親。如果唔係跌到受傷就好麻煩㗎啦。周圍都濕濕立立，好容易跣到，所以又要特別小心，手腳並用啊，有時要。This rock is a little bit loose. This rock is a little bit loose.
This one?
Yeah, but then again, I guess that's the.
Oh, thank you. That's nice. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Oh yeah, look.
Okay. Alright. Let me know if you guys need anything too. I got first aid, Tylenol, Band-Aids, cold pack, whatever you guys need.
到咗目的地啦，呢個秘密瀑布。不過似乎呢個秘密好多人都知道啦已經。Okay, never mind. Okay, thank you. I 話説企喺呢啲瀑布下低亦都有啲危險嘅，因為有時啲水會沖走啲石沖落嚟，駁到個頭。Uh-oh. You okay? This is a aromatic move. Yeah. You okay?
This tower right here is an old hunting tower, but at the top of that tower is rooted plants. So what that means is that's how high the water gets here when we say a flash flood. This is how high water levels get. Those are the same plants you're seeing down here. The water was rushing like this for about a whole week. And if you look out here, you'll see where that bark is stripped down on some of the trees. That's how high it gets to. I wasn't going to point it out on the way here. The white grubs, he's not that much of a fan of. He kind of just stares at it. But we can try them. But the earthworms is really what he digs for. Where's this one? Right in front of me?
Right in front of you.
He's on here. He's right here. Oh, literally right in front of me. Come on, baby. All right, let's see if he'll eat this white grub. If he doesn't, we gotta find an earthworm, okay? Well, hopefully he'll do this.
He's fast.
He's very fast. Actually, so if you don't see any white grubs, any kind worms, he'll eat it. But I'll find you guys some if you guys want to do it too. Looks like he's hungry.
Oh, that was it.
Yeah.
Ready?
That was, I said,
Can you got a good angle?
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, he's like, that's too far, Auntie. Come a little bit closer for him. Oh,
sorry, dropped that. You did a good job.
he came to you though.
You're so cute.
You got it, sis. I believe in you. Look at it. Look, you guys, this is your marriage thing. Look, he's coming to you.
Like, give me that food. Oh, he found a worm there.
There it is.
He found one on his own.
All right.
程又要爬大概1個鐘頭獨木舟，翻去出發點，隻手開始有少少起枕啦已經。Hey, we say we are dynamically compatible. We just have a learning curve, that's all. Besides, I have like a blister in my hand now. I want coffee first. I think I still have jet lag. 3 hours different.
We're evening people anyway, so it's not bad.
Oh, we are senior citizen. We eat dinner at 5:30. We're the first shift.
Yelp, TripAdvisor, all that. You guys did not have fun today. You guys didn't with Jessica, the kayak boy. There's no Jessica on the river unless you guys did not have fun. But we're gonna cross in. Everyone just watch where you're going. There's no boats coming, so we're good. We're gonna go home, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Don't take anybody out, you guys. Watch this again.
停咗先。小心你隻掌啊！你掌啊！
Yeah, if I'll carry this, you guys, if you want to carry the back, you carry the paddles. Yep, and then my bag, someone carry that bag for me.
Where's your
Carry
back?
the back, Uncle.
There's a back. Oh, the back. Oh, I thought you have a back here. Okay. Oops.
Oh, Uncle, you cannot drop the boat like that, honey.
Oh, I thought there was a traffic jam.
Walk the boat, let's go.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Alright, drop, left side.
Drop.
Side over here.
See, drop.
Yep. Take my arm out, you guys. Get on. Okay. Okay, you could be sharing this. No, don't worry. You put those right there.